So bit of a different video. Well, actually not different, but it has to be a pretty short video because I got class in a few minutes, so it's not like I can be here for an hour. Wish I could be, but I don't know if I'll be able to. Whoops. I don't know if I'll be able to do that after class because then I'll be just tired and whatnot. So better to do it now before, even if it's a little rushed, than later. So fuck it. Alright, so yesterday I basically got this working. Just got this panel working, which is great. Now I would like to have another thing, which is I guess more similar to. I've still not done that. Okay. Okay, now I could do two things. I could go and this is not what I wanted. I could go and start implementing other parts of the overlay. Kind of this part here, or I could get this working in the sense of making a function that gets the instruction. I'd sort of translate it into this more human readable instruction, which maybe it's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I should also consider once again dividing all of these things, but I might do that after all of this is done. I don't know. Anyway, so this is gonna return. It's probably gonna return a pointer. I don't know. No. Let's just say get longer description or get longer instruction, which is going to get the opcode. The current instruction is UN16 current opcode. Okay, so that is what it's going to get, a UN16 current code. And then you're also gonna get the instruction itself, the instruction description. No, char. I don't know how you're called actually. Current instruction. Okay. So I still have in here some sort of switch case of the current opcode. And maybe something and 0f00. Right, in the sense that now I need to go and take a look at the instruction set. So execute, this one is not done. I guess if it's case, I'm gonna have to do it again. That bogey sucks a little bit. I mean, not really. You have different sets and different stuff, so you can use multiple of them with just the good old SM printer. Okay. Sorry. Let me actually pull my own code actually. No, fuck. Alright, there we go. I just need to go into my profile and get my code. Source chip 8, I need to know how I actually did this. Okay, so case 000. Right, there we go. This one here for case 0. with the current instruction. Size of current instruction. The format, which would be, I guess, clear screen. That's what it's going to be. What's wrong with this? Will always be truncated. Specified size is 8, but format string is. I mean, maybe I could do something like. Okay. Okay. Char message. It's been a while since I've last done a malloc. I don't fucking know. Size of char pointer? Fuck it. So let's just say return message. Okay. So now I need to know if as in printf is going to be with message. Size of message. And allocate a specific size char C. Malloc length plus 1. So I could just do malloc 25. But this is still going to get truncated. I mean, what does this mean? Using printf isn't printf. I get a warning saying it will always be truncated. What does that mean? It's too small to overhaul the complete output string. Okay, we'll write at most. It returns the number of characters it would have written. Return the value size. So if the compiler can see at compile time that size is smaller than the format string and warnings you. So it needs to be bigger. Address of stack memory associated with local barrel message returned. So I cannot do this. Okay. How can I allocate a specific size for a char? Using block. How many bytes you want to pass to that count? I'll look. Okay, so I have to specify this then. So do I just say 45? And that would be it? Or what? Yeah, I mean, I'm already doing a break here. Okay, so return from a subroutine case. EE, right? Yeah. Do you have to return, or what do you have? Jump, set, draw, jump. You don't have any return. Well, that's just what you're going to be called then. Jump to address in and then. Okay. So put a default, I don't know, break. Okay, my nav just crossed, great. So I break in here. Okay, there's only one, so this just has to be SN. Jump, jump, and then you put this. Okay. So I would love to just get this little thing here. You know what I mean? This should be the current opcode and 0 FFF because I can jump into an NN, right? Yeah. We break. Boom. Case. Sure thing. Skip the following instruction. How do you even do this? God damn it, stop it. Skip. I don't know, it's just probably going to be something tough. So skip if. What exactly is skip if? Skip the following instruction if the value register of bx equals nn. Okay, so this has to be b and then well, I guess I can do an n then. Okay. And so there was just the current opcode, and what I want to get is yes. Alright. So skip the following instruction if there is px. Whoa. Okay, then I got this all wrong. This is, I guess, exec. In address and I don't know how good is the idea of having this. I mean, having another huge switch case, but I really cannot think of anything else at the moment. Okay. Skip the following instruction if the value for register px is not equal. Don't think that's the way to go, but can I use the same case for two different values? So they fall through to the same block. Okay, so I could just say this, right? Boom. If the current value of register bx is not equal to the value of register py. Okay, store the number nn in register bx at the value store whatever. Not too sure about this, to be honest with you. Okay, did not mean to do that, but so let me explain my idea. Okay, so right now I'm trying. It's not even worth explaining it to this guy. Store the number. So store. Store what in what, and then in register bx. So this is going to be, whoops. Bx, right? Yeah. Add nn to the value of register bx. So add same stuff. Now 8000 is going to be a little different because there's too many of them. Store the value of register py and register bx. Why are you two the same, man? I mean, this probably doesn't allow it, right? No. Multiple values in a single case. C. I mean, yeah. I mean, I just want to try not to repeat as many code as possible, but it's gonna be a little impossible. So switch with the opcode, with the current opcode. man. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7. So 1. Actually, this shouldn't even be that. It should just be this. But this is going to be just this one. Right, because I'm trying to set px. Okay, no. This is actually 0. Which is stores the value register by in px. So store p xy, so this would be 0. Right, there we go. 1 is at not set px to px or py. Right, so bx by or bx or by. Actually, I could just say or. But this has to be. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter the order, but just for the sake of it. What am I even doing? So bx should be here. Then you go to 0. Alright. Subtract the value of register by from register px. Okay, so let me just do something then. Let me just do something. Let me get rid of this in here. Let me just say break. I don't know if this is even not in the bullshit statement. You're right. Let me have then a default. Going to be this, right? So if I return message, then nothing should really work, but all of this should work. So let's say that I have all this, and then I have my current instruction. Okay, from this I'm gonna have char current instruction. This would be a good one, not really, because I'm gonna be freeing it every single time. Current instruction. I wanted to say get on the instruction. And then after I've done all this, I can free my current instruction. Just to try and see if I'm doing already alright, so these are, I guess, all the ones that I'm not implemented yet. But so far this looks quite promising. Okay. Great. 24 minutes. I think I'm gonna call it a day and say started working on getting longer, more human readable instructions on the overlay instead of the plain opcode. Right now, not everything is current. I also have to print the current, I guess, PC of that instruction. If I use smprintf multiple times on the same string, does the newer what happens? It always writes for the beginning of the buffer you pass it to. If you go away multiple times, it will overwrite what was written before. Huh. Okay. Number of characters written so far. Okay, what the fuck happened? This would be plus line. Which is pretty much what I had here before. Okay, I can actually take a look at it. Source, gbait. You're right at the end of it. I actually just pushed it. I'm pretty dumb. Okay. History, the last one. Well, I guess I can just do it right away, right? I would just have to change all of it. Message plus, okay, no, minus. PC plus I don't have PC plus I. But I do have the current opcode, which I guess I can do no matter what. Okay. Of the current opcode. But all warnings. that's gonna be it. Thank you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.